This crossbow pistol is DIY squared. The creator saw a wooden model and produced a copy using 3D printing. He also issued a warning: if you plan to replicate it, check first to ensure there won't be legal issues. The presented version holds 6 bolts, 163 millimeters in length. There are 2 Picatinny rails for sights, laser pointers, and other upgrades. The weapon weighs about 600 grams, and its cocking system leaves many mass-produced crossbows in the dust, according to comments. The assembly kit was planned to sell for approximately $100. Next in line is a weapon that has sparked quite a few debates on forums and in YouTube comments. The key question: is it a crossbow or not? The issue is that the developers offer so-called micro limbs instead of classic limbs. This is a patented solution, and the final product was named a torsion crossbow. But not everyone agrees with that. While you write a comment, let us run through the specs. The crossbow weighs 4.5 kilograms, the arrow speed is 112 meters per second, and the width is only 10 centimeters. Interestingly, one of the slogans sounds something like this: "Perfect the hunt, not the gear." And such perfection cost $2,495. Next up is the evolution of the slingshot. That is exactly how the manufacturer describes their creation. Some viewers will surely feel a sense of nostalgia. The slingshot looks suspiciously like childhood homemade toys used for shooting rowan berries or small apples. However, the problems with this one might not be child's play. It is outlawed in certain regions of China, Norway, Iceland, and a number of other countries. And not without reason, as one can shoot not only balls, paintballs for example, but also arrows. Apparently, this is why manufacturers market the slingshot to hunters and even fishermen. The muzzle velocity is about 107 meters per second. The price tag for the coolest kit is around $139. Mamba compound crossbows are also known on the web as pistol crossbows. Their manufacturer focuses on compactness and lightness. It is quite realistic to find a model weighing about a kilogram and 41 centimeters long. However, impressive capabilities hide behind the small dimensions. Many models are positioned as hunting weapons. For example, the innovative design and silent cord cocking device will prove excellent if you need to quickly prepare for a shot in a confined space. Although some commentators are sure, such systems with reverse limbs are more marketing than real necessity. Meanwhile, the numbers on the price tag are in the $400, $500 range. What do you say? The slingshot developers didn't stop there. So, the slingshot shotgun has now graced store shelves. The seller writes that the model is designed for experienced shooters with at least some knowledge of mechanics, and surprises with a price of $488. And rightly so, 3 rod barrels are used for shooting at once. And they suggest firing steel balls with a diameter of 40.6 millimeters. In this case, you can load 10-20 balls at a time, while the daring choose single 18-millimeter balls. For the bravest, they offer carbon arrows weighing 300–400 grams. And this slingshot lays claim to the title of sniper grade, and the price is a killer too, $207. The model is called the RXX8, and developers are convinced it is unfair to compare it to ordinary counterparts, if only because the firing range, with proper skill, exceeds 100 meters, and from 50 meters it is realistic to hit even a cane toad. Naturally, a place was found for a Picatinny rail, although you'll have to buy the optics separately. The mass of the sniper slingshot is a solid 5 kilograms. It ships in as many as 3 separate packages. The main topic of conversation in the comments is how legal such a purchase is in any given country. If a crossbow seems too expensive, you can start with something simpler, a slingshot, for example. And that is no joke. The presented models are also positioned for hunting and are even equipped with optical sights. Variants like these are produced in China with an approximate price tag of $98. For this money, buyers will be pleased with adjustable draw weight. For example, For recreational shooting versus hunting, a metal body, and a plastic grip. The shot speed reaches 137 meters per second, and some kits include not only spare bands, but also a set of tools. And this DIY project resembles a weapon from Starship Troopers and other sci-fi. On screen is a Gauss cannon, and its operating principle fits into one sentence. The projectile is accelerated by an electromagnetic field. Interestingly, the author of this version is a pacifist, so the goal of the build is to demonstrate skills and interest others in science and technology. And, in principle, these goals have been achieved. Users are grateful for the detailed documentation posted by the author online. If you ever start a new project on this topic, choose a sniper rifle. They ask him in the comments. Another option for all the Robin Hood fans who don't have money for a good bow yet. This slingshot will try to replace it. The range, of course, will be smaller, but the versatility is greater. For instance, sellers have a kit in stock allowing you to take the slingshot fishing. You can even catch a carp or a pike. So, you can try on the role not only of a legendary hero and avenger of the people, but also of a provider. After all, the arrow flight speed is in the region of 36 meters per second, so the slingshot is quite suitable for small game hunting too. The price for the version with fishing accessories is $180. A powerful pneumatic greeting from the Spanish company Gamo. They are offering to stock up your arsenal with the TC-35 and TC-45 rifles. An interesting fact about these weapons, they actually hail from South Korea. The Spaniards struck a deal with the South Korean company Evanix and are essentially selling their rifles under their own brand. With calibers of 9mm and 11.43mm, respectively, the capabilities of both rifles are sufficient not just for recreational and target shooting, but also for hunting, wild boars for example. The weight and price tag for the Spaniards are the same in both cases, 4 kilograms and $1,050. The Korean version, however, comes out a bit pricier at $1,200. Shoot 2 arrows at once faster than Legolas. That's the offer from the creators of this pneumatic crossbow. The sharpshooting elf, by the way, still has an ace up his sleeve, a 3-arrow shot. However, with this crossbow, one review claims you can hunt even a bear. The effective range is 69 meters, and the initial arrow speed is about 137 meters per second. The weight of the weapon with the scope is about 4 kilograms. The creators also highlight a solid capacity. The air in the reservoir is enough for 25 shots. And the PCP release technology allows for shooting with practically no recoil. The price is $500. Next up is a video from a team that tests and evaluates various outdoor active leisure products. In particular, this masterpiece managed to visit their tests, shooting a grappling hook and 100 paintballs at once with equal success. The trick lies in the cannon system, which looks like a huge suppressor. It uses gases obtained from firing blank cartridges. The developers of the cannon write that with proper shooting, a soda can will fly 96 meters, and the abundance of models allows for shooting compressed t-shirts, golf balls, paint cans. In short, practically anything. An ideal option for recreational shooting and impressive videos. Price tag starting from $130. In the movie Van Helsing, the main character had an unusual repeating crossbow. Why not invent something similar, but for archers? No sooner said than done, and the Fenris, a magazine for compound bows, appears on screen. It fits right, and left-handed bows holds 5 arrows, and features a Picatinny rail. A bonus is the revolutionary aiming device, so the developers are confident the magazine will help improve accuracy in the shortest possible time. However, it is not suitable for all bows, and considering the price of $1,100, buyers definitely wouldn't mind a consultation. On the other hand, military personnel and law enforcement representatives are entitled to a 10% discount